this is Tony Nicole welcoming you to the red carpet, and I'm really happy to be back with a new video for you. Somebody left in the comments a question about the little purses that I made for the doll. So we're making a handbag using a fashion magazine, our printer, hard cardstock, glue, jump rings, ribbon, and our hot glue gun. But before we get started with the video, I'm going to need you to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell. So inside of fashion magazines, there always are little photographs of outfits and purses. So I selected this page and we're going to do 2 bags from this page. The Mickey Mouse and the pink breast cancer bag. So we cut those out and we're going to put them on our printer and make a copy. And I put a little white paper on there so it'll make the copying easier. Make sure that you put it on the best quality. So now we have our originals from the magazine and our copies that we printed out. And we're going to cut those out as well. Now this is cardstock paper. It's actually poster board. You could use anything that's really firm paper. We're going to glue both sides of the handbag to the cardstock. And because it's pink and I want it pink on the inside, I'm just going to cover the other side with pink construction paper. So here's the pink on one side and the Mickey Mouse black bag. We cut those out. Then we're going to use ribbon and hot glue the ribbon around the perimeter. Very, very carefully, of course, always using caution with our hot glue gun. Very, very carefully. And if you're a kid, make sure that you get adult supervision when you're doing this. We don't want anyone to hurt themselves while they're crafting. So we got one side complete and you simply repeat on the other side. So we have both sides glued to the ribbon. And you see, there's your bag pretty much. Now we're doing the closing steps by adding the straps with ribbon, and we're going to pull the ribbon, a tiny piece of ribbon, through the jump ring and very carefully hot glue it closed. Then we'll glue that inside of our bag. So we have 4, and then to create the straps, we will glue another piece of ribbon on the other end of the jump ring. A little hot glue to lock that ribbon into place. Repeat again on the other side. And you do it all over again so that you have 2 straps on your purse, and our handbag is complete. What I wanted to do is just add a little charm on there, give it a little more detailed look. And lastly, I put glitter on the bag, which honestly I'm not so sure about. I might have overdone it with the glitter. So we have our 2 bags, our Mickey Mouse bag and our pink breast cancer awareness bag. And here's different versions I made, and these are all copies that I took from magazines. These have a single strap instead of 2 straps. And this is really cute, a little different bag. And here's our zebra print bag, and it's so awesome because I had this zebra print ribbon. So I love how that turned out. And then lastly, I took a Betty Boop bag from that same page that we did the other 2 handbags. And so here it is. The Betty Boop is adorable with our super awesome fashionista doll. This was really cute. I want to thank you for suggesting in the comments that I make this video for you. So now you know how I make my handbags. and you've seen them in previous videos, but now you get to make them for yourself. I thank you for watching, and you know what I'm going to say now. I want to see your dial crafts. I need you guys to hit me up on social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, and I would love to see what you guys are working on. I'd love to put together a little fan pick frenzy video for you. So when you leave a comment, you get an official welcome to the red carpet. So Celisa Jones, welcome to the red carpet. Thank you for leaving a comment, and I appreciate you so much. See you at the next video. Remember, it's more fun to make it.